Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a New Year firework portrait animation using Pixverse. This effect is super fun, aesthetic, and perfect for New Year creating video or social media posts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Pixverse. You can use it on the web or just download the app version from the Play Store like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you free daily credit so you can generate animations for free every day. And then next, once you're on the home page, just go to template section. This one, just tap on it and then just tap on search bar and then type this effect, New Year firework, like this. This one, just tap on it. This effect will bring up the New Year animations template filled with fireworks and then glowing lights and the New Year text. This template is perfect for creating video, countdown clips, or maybe festive reels. And then next, just simply tap on use template. And then now just upload any photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie or maybe a portrait, family photos, or even a pet picture. Anything will work. Like this, and then after you selected the photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and go back, and then just go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, just look at this result. Your photo now has animated fireworks and then glowing particles and festive New Year atmosphere with text like this. It looks cinematic, bright, and super aesthetic, I think. And I think it's super perfect for creating videos. And then next, once you like it, you can save it directly to your device by tap on download this one, or just you can also share it directly to your social media over here. Okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can turn any photo into a New Year firework portrait animation using Pixverse. It's super easy and completely free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.